Welcome back to the channel where we bring you the most detailed reviews and insights into the latest cars on the market. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Esteem. We explore exterior, interior, under to the hood, safety features, performance and price, all about in detail. Watch to end. Let's first subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes, a sedan that combines style, performance, and reliability in a package perfect for Indian roads. The 2025 Esteem has been completely revamped with a sleek and aerodynamic design, featuring a bold chrome-accented grille, sharp LED projector headlights, and C-shaped LED tail lamps. Its sporty stance is enhanced by the new 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, giving it a premium yet dynamic road presence. The car's contours and sculpted lines reflect a blend of elegance and modernity, making it stand out in the competitive sedan segment. Powering the Esteem is a 1.5 litres dual-jet petrol engine with smart hybrid technology, producing 105 bhp and 138 Nm of torque. The engine is paired with either a 5-speed manual transmission or a refined 6-speed automatic gearbox. This setup ensures a smooth driving experience while delivering an impressive fuel efficiency of 21 km/L for the petrol variant and 27 km/kg for the factory-fitted CNG option. The lightweight hard-teched platform ensures better performance, stability, and safety without compromising efficiency. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious and premium dual-tone interior. The dashboard features a new 9-inch Smart Play Pro Plus touchscreen infotainment system with support for Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and Suzuki Connect for smart features like remote access, live tracking, and more. The steering-mounted controls, automatic climate control, push-button start, and a wireless charging pad make the Esteem a tech-savvy option. With plush fabric upholstery and adjustable rear AC vents, it ensures comfort for all passengers, even on long journeys. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Esteem, with features like 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, escape, hill hold assist, and a 360-degree parking camera. Built to meet global NCAP standards, the Esteem offers excellent crash protection, making it a reliable family car. The pricing of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Esteem starts at a superscript 18.5 lakh, ex-showroom, for the base variant and goes up to a superscript 112.5 lakh for the top-end model with all the bells and whistles. It's a value-for-money sedan for those seeking premium features without breaking the bank. That's all for our detailed review of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Esteem. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Luxury Car Vibes for more exciting updates on the latest cars in the market. Stay tuned for our next video.